Alright, AFE cold air intake for a 2018 Jeep Cherokee SRT 6.4 liter. It's a pretty easy install. I already have this disconnected. Basically just going to disconnect this hose here. You're going to separate it from the throttle body there, take the air box out, and we'll go from there. Alright, so like I was saying before, it's really nothing crazy. That 1 8mm socket will loosen up that clamp for the throttle body, take the small hose off, and basically the whole air box is just one piece that just sits on little grommets there. You take the grommets out and you're going to use that on the AFE. Alright, so quick update. We put the filter on. I just don't like how the factory foam just kind of feels like shit. The glue is non-existent, so what I'm going to do is on the bottom of the filter, this is just some AC insulation. It does have glue. Once you remove that tape, this is definitely going to help out with a better seal. So I'm going to line this up, put it on the bottom. I'll take a picture of it after. All right, that's what it looks like now. Let me get closer. Definitely sticks up higher than the factory foam, and this is not going anywhere. The glue on there is really strong. This is the finished product. You see down there, the camera will focus. That's a nice tight seal, especially on the left-hand side, where the bottom of the box meets. Before, on the first time with the stock foam that was down there, it wasn't even making contact. So if it's not making contact, it's not a good seal. If it's not a good seal, you're just gonna get all the heat from the engine bay. So, all right, wrapping up. We'll take it for a drive, see if there's any noticeable difference, and that's it. So the outside temperature is 70 degrees. The intake temp is 82. So I guess a 12-degree difference ain't too bad. Also just letting the engine warm up to operating temperature. It's still not quite there yet. It's almost there. When I put this in yesterday, it was torrential downpours here in New York. Of course, when I go to install something, it's when it's raining. But today's a beautiful day, and we'll do a couple of rips. My best 0 to 60 in this truck was 4 seconds flat. You know, we're on Long Island. It's you know, at sea level elevation. That was not bone stock. That was with the Borla catback. So technically, it was not stock to get that 4 seconds. But it is, you know, a little over 70 degrees out today. I don't know if we're going to beat that with the intake. So we will see. It's 11:30 and there's tons of traffic. Unless you live upstate, New York's not the best place to do 0 to 60s. Everybody and their mother comes out. So we'll see. Looks like we're gonna get lucky. That time. Overall, I do feel a difference in the responsiveness, especially in the higher RPM range. I think I got to try this more when we have a 50-degree day, kind of like I did when I got the 4 seconds. So I want to make it the same scenario, same temperature, same road, same everything. But as far as bang for the buck, I mean, I think it's pretty good. Now it's 10-degree difference, 74 degrees outside, air intake is 84. And not for nothing, where Chrysler puts the air intake temperature sensor, it is pretty close to the throttle body itself. So definitely it's going to pick up a little more heat from the engine bay versus if they would have put it, you know, inside the factory box, or if AFE put it inside the box and maybe had a pigtail harness to make that make those wires longer. So